Hello again, this is Robert V. Chair. This is my video review of the FNIRSI brand, their mini smart SMD tester tweezer, model LCR-ST1. It's got an accuracy of about 0.5%. It will measure capacitance, resistance, inductance, continuity, diode tester also. Product gets great customer ratings. So it's a multifunctional portable testing instrument that supports precise measurement of resistance, capacitance, inductance, and diodes. 3 test frequencies, 100 Hz, 1K, 10K, 2 test voltages, 0.3 Vrms or 0.6 Vrms, and resistance 10 milliohms to 10 megohms, and capacitance 1 picofarad to 22 microfarads. Inductance 1 microhenry to 10 henries. Should have auto recognition of electronic components. You can put it right in the circuit, and has a nice 1.14 inch HD color display, easy to operate. You can save the test records. There's also a ability to have them hold function on there. You can hook this to your PC and transfer the data to Excel. You have 2 types of heads on here, and it comes with a little instruction booklet. Also comes with a metal plate that allows you to hold this in place anywhere in your lab, which is nice. And this really nice upscale holder that allows you to keep everything in place. Has the USB A to C charging cable and different tips on there so that you can have a choice of the tips that you want to use. Here's what it looks like. Turning it on is really simple. You just hit the power button right there, and you hold this down to shut it off, as I just demonstrated. Defaults in the auto mode. You have a hold button right there. You can see the hold display on there. So there's a center button here and an up and down arrow on there. You also there's a button when you push, and you can see it highlights the voltage, and you could change that 0.3 or 0.6. Now this is RMS voltage, not DC, just so you know. And if you hold this down again, it's going to allow you to go to the resistance range there. You see 1K, 10K, 100 ohms. And you hold it a third time, and you're going to allow you to allow access to the various functions on here. So let's take a look. You want to get out of auto mode, and now you can manually go to resistance, capacitance, inductance, and diode test. So just as an example on diode test right there, here is a little board, and I can put that across there, and I get continuity, and it's giving me the actual ohms in the forward direction. Now if I were to go across a fuse, I get continuity also, letting me know whether the fuse is good or bad. Now if we want to test something like resistance, so let's go to resistance right there, and I can put this across, and I can get the resistance that is right on this meter, right on this box, 3.82 kilo ohms, which is nice, and I could change that and it'll recognize the higher resistances on there. If I was going to measure capacitance, let's go to capacitance, and let's go to my little capacitance meter right here, my capacitance box, and it's showing me the various capacitors that match right there. So if you want to go into a circuit and measure your capacitance, it's going to allow you to do that also. And that's handy if you've got a circuit and you're doing some testing. You can go across the capacitor right with the device and get an actual value of the capacitance. So it's a tweezer because you could actually go to across the device like that and get a capacitance value. That's nice. Or if you have individual components like this one, you can go across those larger components also. You could take this off by unscrewing that and putting the other leads on there if you want. Charging is really simple. You could take the included cable, run a USB-C to your USB-A 1 amp or greater, plug it in, and you see you've got the little red LED right there. The LED will go off when it is finished charging. So this is really good for testing speakers. So here's a Tweezer speaker, and I have it on inductance right there. So I'm going to put it across the speaker, and the speaker is beeping a little bit, making a tone because it's a test tone. And you see it has 103.6 microhenries, giving me the inductance of the coil that's on the speaker. Now if I turn this unit off, and I turn it back on, and I put it in the auto mode, and I put it across the speaker, it's got the test tone again, and it's showing me that it's an 8 ohm speaker, which is correct. So it tells you if you got a functioning speaker, the resistance of it, and that's correct, should be 8 ohms. So after testing, what do I think about the FNIRSI brand or Mini Smart SMD tester tweezer, the model LCR-ST1? This is a cool little product. Never seen anything like this. So if you're working on your car, you're working on some small circuitry, and you want to be able to quickly test it and not bring out your multimeter or your oscilloscope, this allows you to do that and measure capacitance and inductance. There's a lot packed into this small thing. Just take the time to learn the display and how this button interacts and how it works. But it's a really nice product. I'm impressed with the quality of it. This company makes some unique products, and this is one of them. This is very unique. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.